Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Windows version or edition. So if you're thinking about upgrading your Windows or for whatever reason you need to check your Windows version or edition, this is how you do it. I'm using Windows 11 right here, and so the steps are pretty much exactly the same. But you can apply this for Windows 10 just the same. All you have to do, right click on the Windows icon on your PC or laptop and click on settings. And again, if you're using Windows 10, you can simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or laptop and type in settings. Go ahead and you'll open up the settings from here. Now, once you're inside settings, go ahead and click on system on the left hand side as I'm using the Windows 11, and then scroll down towards the bottom and you will find about. Once you click on about, you will scroll down all the way down to the Windows specification, and here you can find your version of Windows, and of course here you can also find the edition of Windows as well. So as you can see, I'm using Windows 11 Pro and my version is 25H2, and that was it. Very easy and very simple.